welcome you to the new episode of Election Street Side. We are here in Mumbai's Cow Gully. In fact, Mumbai is known to be a place where you could have a meal in 15 rupees and 15,000 rupees as well. But for locals in Mumbai, vada pav, or for that matter street side food, sandwiches and chaat are the go-to places where they gather every afternoon, or in fact during the snacks hours. This Cow Gully that we are at is known to be a popular hub for office goers because this is in the town area of Mumbai. Apart from that, considering there are colleges around, there are a lot of college students also who visit this place, and across the street we also have a cricket place where cricketers, in fact various budding cricketers, have practiced around this stadium, and they cross over and come here to have their meal. Today we'll take you to Election Street Side on the streets of Mumbai in the Cow Gully area. Right here we have some of the master students from SNDT College. They are in fact spreading awareness about election. Mumbai has its election on 20th of May, and some of these master students from Gujarati department of SNDT were spreading awareness about casting their vote amongst the youngsters today here. We'll speak to some of these people and try and understand. मैडम, आप लोग आज जो है अवेयरनेस कर रहे थे इलेक्शन को लेके, यहाँ पे यंगस्टर्स थे, उनसे बातचीत कर रहे थे. आपको क्या लगता है 20 तारीख को मुंबई में इलेक्शन है, तो इलेक्शन के बारे में आपको क्या लगता है, क्या माहौल है मुंबई में, क्या बातचीत करना चाहिए?
पीपल आर वेरी एक्साइटेड. सो बहुत गर्मी का माहौल है और पीपल प्लान टू वोट 100%. आई फील के सब प्लान करेंगे, और जिस तरह से हमें रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है तो यस.
I want to know from you, how important, because you are doing this awareness, how important do you think it is for people to vote?
It is very important because the new generation which is going to vote this time, they are the real architects of India. क्योंकि हमारा एक वोट इतना कीमती है कि अगर योग्य नेता मिल गया तो वो देश को सही राह दिखा सकता है. इसीलिए आजकल का जो जनरेशन है वो काफी समझदार है और वो सोच समझ कर वोट करेगा. तो बहुत मुझे आशा है नए जनरेशन से और हमारे देश के लोगों से.
When we speak of voting, when it comes to Mumbai, we always see that it being maximum city, the voting is not that huge. Only 50, 55, 60% people come out and vote. What is the kind of message, that you would want to give to people then?
Yes, I want to say to everyone that thing, holidays though we are getting so many, but this time, after 5 years, this time comes for voting and to choose our leader. And if we choose our good leader, then our future will be secure. So everyone should understand about that. Everyone should do the voting.
One of the street food that you cannot really miss when in Mumbai is Mumbai's pav bhaji and tawa pulao on the streets. Clearly, right from Chapati to Juhu Beach, that is a specialty that is there for people who are visiting Mumbai. Right here, we are at the Pav Bhaji Center in Cow Gully. In fact, we have some people who are, in fact, having this Pav Bhaji and Tawa Pulao for today's lunch. We have you along with us. Tell me what's your name, what do you do, and then we'll further proceed with our conversation.
My name is Ayush and I'm a media professional. Yeah.
Okay. So, this is a show of ours, segment wherein we are speaking to people. It's elections on streets. You're one of the youngsters, we'll be voting for this election. How do you feel about the election? What do you think is the sense and the feel for election this time?
I think the tools that the government has given us when they came in power in 2014 will be working as a counter thing for them this time, because clearly their focus is not aligned with youngsters and they feel very left out, very behind. So they'll be using this tool in this election for sure. And the awareness, the main thing is that there is awareness, about the policies of the government and the functioning of the government. So it will be visible. We are the shaper of this country and of this economy. And if we are not heard, what's the point of giving the vote to the government? Just by looking at the advertisement, I mean, they are all flashy and all good. But they won't be working for us until and unless, we getting money in our pockets. Or the people who are fighting for their rights, the minority communities or the LGBTQ communities, they're fighting for their rights. If they're not having anything substantial in their hand, they won't be voting for them. So, I don't know, for or against.
Mumbai votes on May 20th. You as an individual, as a voter, as a businessman, I would want your perspective, your individual opinion about, what are your deciding factors to vote and how do you see the earlier government has failed?
Yeah, definitely we are looking forward for a stronger and much better government who can look after what are the needs of their, of general public as well as people who are into business. Of course, there are a lot of facility available for big players, big businessmen, but for small business guys like us, there are very limited, opportunities, and also there are a lot of other challenges that we have to face. So I'm looking forward that the new government help us to face these challenges and come up with some strong solutions so that we also can do a better business in future, and also we can provide some good quality food and good quality service to the customer.
Sir, tell me that you spoke of facilities that have been provided. We've seen so far there has been GST that is put into place. There are various other facilities, online e-payment facilities that have been put into place for businessmen. Do you think that has helped you all in any way?
Yeah, that is helping, but all those things are so difficult that an individual cannot do it on his own. Again, you have to go through some kind of support agency or some agent or something. It is still not user friendly as it should be, that any individual can go log in, fill up his form, fill up his license, renew his license, apply for some new like a new water connection or some electric connections. So, but it is not that easy for them. On paper it is looking, everything is online, but when you actually go to execute it, it is very difficult.
Modi ji has this vision that, he'll have 400 plus seats in the upcoming elections. Do you think, that kind of support is what he'll get from people in Mumbai?
Yeah, he will, because as of now what has happened, there is no strong competitor, there is no strong opposition who can stand against this government. And not only that, but there is no other strong party who is looking forward for development of this country or development of that state or region. So we strongly need a opposition who can stand against, so that there is a healthy competition. It is not that Modi ji or BJP is not doing well, but there has to be a healthy competition, which is not there right now.
And when you say, the central government, it's been 10 years of central government, how do you think has it helped the citizens of the country?
Yeah, it has definitely helped a lot. Means, if you rate it from 1 to 10, they are of course 8, 9, almost, or we can give 10 out of 10. Looking at the development, what we have done in last 60 years, and looking at the development, what we have done in last 10 years.
Clearly, Mumbaikers have their priorities straight when it comes to the elections. Some of them are giving a thumbs up, in fact a 10 on 10 for the Modi government, but they have their stance very clear. They want to look after employment, they want better processes to be put into place, and that is what Mumbaikers expect, before they vote on May 20th.